So I have discovered there is some mould growing on the lining of the shower. You can probably see a bit of it there, it's hard to see on the camera. A bit further down. And we have more growing on the edge here. This is just due to the moisture and cold temperatures of the weather lately. So what we're going to do is mix up some home brand white vinegar from Woolies, some Mackenzie's Bi-Carb soda, a bit of water in a cup, and protective goggles, and see what we can do. Now I have no idea how much on the ratio do you use for all of this, so it's going to be trial and error. Some water, put that away, it's probably a bit too much water from what I understand. There we go. Some white vinegar. I don't know about the free ebook that Mackenzie's are giving away. I'm sure it's going to be useful. Whoa! Mentos! Oh, that stinks bad. Yeah, and most of that is gone out. That's not what we want. Poor. That's a really bad job. Good one. Right, I'm going to repeat that a few times with this for Mentos effect and see what we can do. And yeah, that towel's going to go in the wash afterwards. We're looking a bit pink because I've used some bleach, muffin bleach. And I have an old toothbrush here, scrubby. Yeah, that's coming right off. So it probably would have worked just with the Bi-Carb, but that's done really well. Don't let mold grow, people. And yeah, trying not to get myself in the mirror so you can see what my mug looks like. Ugh. Definitely going to wash it down. The high pressure shower head cap after this. Flashy. Hey, you expect me using a tripod for this? Nah, not happening, mate. Should anyone find this footage? No, I was knocked out by bleach. Comments below on what I'm doing wrong. Oh, you idiot. You... Why didn't you have better ventilation? Well, the windows open and the fans on. Why didn't you get the hose you use for washing the concrete outside? Well, that'll probably take the windows off. Jeez. Tell you what. Let's see what I used to have a cleaner. $40 a fortnight. We're firing one again. Yes, there's a mirror, you can't see me. Oh no. I'm breathing heavy because I ate too much chocolate. It's Kit Kat. Not sponsored. But I will be having a break after this. I think I've got a crumble left. That's not a Kit Kat. It's far superior. Brushy, brushy. Right, for the hose time. I'm not going to use the camera for that. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Well, we've cleaned up a bit. Still a bit of work to do. Some little bits and pieces in there which you probably can't quite see on camera, but you have to trust me in that. Hello, there's my mirror hand. Let's clean that up quite well. I'll do a second pass later. But who knew, eh? Bi-Carb soda and vinegar. And bleach, but it was working quite well without that going. Yeah. Bit more, I'll do a second pass later. It stinks in here of vinegar. So we're going to leave the window open. Hello, window. And do another pass tomorrow. Cleaning.